What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. If you don't know, I'm your boy Fatkat. Man, today we are at the airport. It's Tampa International Airport to be exact. We are for those of you guys that don't know, for my day job, man, I get to travel around all around the country or whatnot. And with that being said, I get to go and rent cars or whatnot. So we are at the Tampa International Airport. We're about to get a car, rent a car, whatnot, to travel down to my next location. This location is only about 2 hours from my house, so you know, I just gotta rent a car and drive down there and do what I gotta do and then come back. But anyway, so if you guys don't know, like I said in my other videos, I use National, which they have an Emerald program. The Emerald program lets you rent a car for whatever price, like a intermediate or compact car or something like that, and you basically rent any car that they have on the lot, man. I got 2 more days or 2 rentals, so after this rent I'll be able to pick up an executive car. So you basically can upgrade all the way up. But if not, like I said, I just pick up any car that's like decent car. Like I've had Cadillacs back in the day or things like that, Expeditions or whatnot. But hopefully when I get that executive status, I get all the way up to I don't know, like a Corvette or something like that. But we'll see when that time comes. Anyway, for right now, like I said, I'm gonna go check out what I got, man. We're gonna see what they got on the lot. Hopefully it'll be something cool, man, so I can do a video for y'all later on during the week, man. Do a full review on something cool. Anyway, so let's go check out what they got, man. So let's see. See, this is National. How you doing?
Are you recording, sir?
Yes.
Oh.
It's my YouTube.
Oh, please.
You want to say hi? No. Oh, you don't gotta be embarrassed. You say hi. No. Okay. That's fine.
Are you picking up a call?
I am.
Executive?
So I have 2 days, literally 2 days to be executive.
Oh.
I can show you on my phone on my app. So after this rental, I'll be executive, or you can be cool.
But today, it's your lucky day because you can choose any cars towards executive aisle also.
Okay.
So any car to your left has a trunk open.
Okay, cool. So any car right down here?
If you need
an executive? Is that executive? Or that's premier?
Yeah, you have, if you're, it's 75 added to on top of what you.
Oh, no, I can't do that.
So next time, if you have a free, not free, it's only up to or 70 cars. So today you can choose at the executive aisle also.
Okay, cool.
So thank you for International and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
All right, so let's see what we have here. Do we see anything cool? Not really. Let's see. Got a little X3. I don't want that. Man, I don't really got anything today. See, that's the thing about National, man. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Sometimes they got nice cars. Sometimes they have cars that are not really that cool. But let's still keep checking it out. Are these not executive? I guess not. We got a bunch of Mustangs. These are like V6 Mustangs. So I don't know if I want to do that anyway. Well, we got a 300C. Could do that. Let's see, does it have leather inside? It does have leather. Got wood grain. Got a little wood grain in here. A little bit of leather. What do you guys think, man? Should I take this? Little 300C action. What do you guys think? Be cool to roll around with for a week. It's not too bad. It's probably the best thing to have on a lot right now, other than those V6 Mustangs. But because there's nothing else, man. You got Impalas. You got an Impala rolling around right there. That's pretty much it. Got the Chrysler 300. So I think we'll go with that, man. I'm gonna walk around real quick though, see if I see anything else, but if not, this will be what we're taking, man. So let's go. All right, guys, so I was gonna go with this Cadillac here. I could have went with the Cadillac CTS. Could have went with the BMW X3 that I was thinking about getting. The BMW X3 was actually pretty decent, had leather and everything else. It's the new one inside here. Actually, let me see what year this one is. Oh, this car is locked. Let me find the unlock button. Oh, it's in the middle, isn't it? You just so I could grab that. This car is a, doesn't say. That's weird. Usually has it on there. Let me see if I can find the key tag. Let's see what year this is. This is a 2019. Wow. 2019 brand spanking new X3. Look at that. We have the panoramic sunroof and everything up there. Yeah, so I could have went with this. This car only has 34 miles on it. Wow. Look at that. Brand spanking new car. So I could have went with the X3. Or I could have went with this. This is the BMW 430. So I think I might take this. And this is a convertible on top of that. But this is a 2017 and it has about 32,000 miles on it. But I've never driven one, so I think I might take that. Yep, let's go with this one. Alright, man, and just like that, man, we picked up the car. We are in a 2017 BMW 4. It's just a 430, but it is a drop top and everything else, man. So here we are, man. This is what we got. So I'll definitely be giving you guys a full review, full overview of everything, of how this car works, man. And keep it going like that. But I couldn't figure out how to drop the top on this damn thing. If you see my other videos when I was at the dealership, it was the same thing. I could not drop the damn top. So once I get home, I'll look at it, or when I look at YouTube, look at YouTube or something else, and then I'll try to figure it out, man. But I cannot figure it out to save my life in this thing. But we'll definitely for sure figure it out. I'm gonna drive this up to my, like I said, to where I gotta go. I gotta go down to Cocoa Beach, and you know, obviously down on the east coast of Florida. Stay down there for a week, so I'll definitely have enough time to check out this car and check out how it works, man, the ins and outs. So, like I said, I could have ended up getting an X3 actually. Could have got an X3. It was brand spanking new, 40 miles on it. But like I said, I mean, I've driven X5s, I've driven, you know, SUVs and all this stuff. So I was like, man, let me jump in this BMW 4 Series, even though it's not an M car or, you know, whatever, something like that. But at least something to the effect where I could drop the top, hang out. Man, shit, I'm going to the beach, man. Basically, I'm going to Cocoa Beach and want to go hang out, man. Gotta go gotta go get something that's, you know, right for the occasion. So drop the top and everything else, man. That's exactly what I'm gonna do in this car when I you know, hit the beach, or not hit the beach, but when I hit that way and roll down the strip. Anyway, man, appreciate you guys checking out the car. Like I said, it's the BMW 4 Series 430 to be exact, convertible. So we're definitely gonna figure out how to drop this damn top and make sure it's extra crispy for you guys when we do a video for you. Anyway, man, all right, man, appreciate you guys checking in. Again, I'm your boy Fatkat, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys comment down below. Oh, and for sure, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can get all the videos whenever I drop them. You know, be the first ones to get the videos whenever I drop them, man, for sure. So, all right, man, we'll check you guys on the next one, man. Appreciate y'all. Later.